Donation boxes can be the source of great gifts or a big headache if they're not used correctly, in my opinion. Another church in Framingham, Massachusetts was recently a victim of theft from their donation box. These donation boxes are a great way to keep people from having to pass a plate or a bucket for donations. You know, they're a great tool to have if people are permitted to enter the church all week for prayers or other activities. But the problem is we're not emptying them often enough, I believe. When we are locking up or doing periodic checks, we should have a process in place to check and empty our donation boxes daily when people are being allowed in the building. If you're not checking those donation boxes or have regular protocols for emptying them often, then we are just asking for theft. And by the way, don't forget, the smart protocol for money is to have two people handling the money. So relative to security, donation boxes should be something we use and empty strategically, or you're going to have problems.